It's currently Thursday, and I just want to do a recap on the trade I called out on Gbpusd, seeing how it played out quite wonderfully. Okay, so this is the before. As you can see, the analysis here. We had 130.625 here. As you can see, 130. Where's okay? This other resistance here of 130.435. See, the 130.435. Okay. So, let me just go over why I took this trade from this area here. So, looking at how the weekly closed, okay, for last week, we saw that we closed as a bullish engulfing. See that there, bullish engulfing. So, I'm more on my weekly on the weekly video. I more or less called out a long trade, okay, into this next weekly high of 1.31250. So, with that, on Monday, this was okay. Yeah, this was Monday. So basically, I personally don't trade on Monday. So I give the market Monday to show me, okay, what it's going to do, if there's going to be a pullback or if there's going to be a continuation. So as you can see, Monday here we continued the bullish momentum and then came close to 1.300 monthly area of support right there. As you can see, also an area on the daily that we've rejected from before. With that, I was on the 4 hourly, okay, monitoring the structure type setup. Okay, so I saw that we're having a higher low, okay, right here. So this was actually the higher low that made me enter the trade. So this was the Fibonacci on the 4 hourly that I drew on A to B. Okay, so we see price we came into 38.2, didn't quite reach come down to any key level, but with that 38.2 we saw a massive push to the upside. So with this massive push here, what I did was observed the 1 hourly. As you can see, the 1 hour structure was still very bullish. So that's why the trade was on a 30-minute time frame from here. As you can see, this is a 30-minute time frame. So I entered right. I entered just two positions. Okay, so this was where I entered. As you can see, it's not a perfect entry. To tell you guys the truth, it's not a perfect entry. So when I came to the market that day, I saw that the market was already breaking areas of resistance here on the lower time frames. Okay, see that there. Um, we broke this area of resistance, broke this area of resistance. We tried trade to the upside. We came into 1.3. Okay, came to 1.3. So I was more or less waiting for price to show me a trade above 1.3 before I could confirm an entry to the upside. So seeing the way the price action traded here, we had that push above, came back into the region. So I entered after this big bullish candle here, as you can see. So spread actually moved my trade my position up here, but this was where I entered. Okay, just right here after this candle closed because we've seen that retest, okay, into the 1.2 zone. See, tapped into this previous area of structural support right there, and we had 1 2 3 morning star formation. So that's why I executed my trade there, and my stop loss was just beneath this area because if price trades below this area, then I'm wrong and I want to be out of the fucking trade. Okay, so yeah, guys, as you can see, I more or less called out the long into 131 or 1.31250, and you can see today now we hit the TP of 114 pips. Massive trade for the week. Massive trade for the week. So now I didn't scale in. I don't like scaling in that much. I just want to enter all at once. So as you can see, the market still reversed, more or less made a retracement on this, came back to my entry points, but I'm going to break that down now on 4 hour time frame. Looking at that area on the 4 hour time frame, as you can see, was just a retracement for a higher low. So within my community where I call out this position, a lot of newbies were kind of spooked with this retracement. I told them to what, calm down. It's just a retracement, and with the momentum could continue anytime soon. So this was the Fibonacci I drew on. You can see there, higher high, higher low. Okay, came into 50% right there, and then continue to the upside. So guys, yeah, that's just a quick trade recap. Okay, to show you guys that okay, yeah, it's the system actually works, and it's crazy. It's crazy. So yeah, key pointers from this trade. Because me, I'm a learning freak because I like learning a lot. I want to learn. Uh, Basically, it's either you win in the market or you learn. That's the quote, guys. It's either you win in the market or you learn. But in winning, there are still lessons. You just have to be grounded enough to know that okay, you know what, there's something to learn. So from this trade, now what I actually learned from this trade was how to wait for a better entry opportunity, because the reason I entered here was because of that lower time frame. So I think the next time where we see a weak rejection like this after evolution of confidence, there's a higher chance that the market is going to retrace. But the thing is, I will still go back and see how this pattern works, and if that's actually it, then I'll add it to the rules of my system. If not, well, this is what I learned. So yeah, guys, that's just a quick trade recap, and yeah, subscribe to our channel. We drop trades like this on a weekly basis, and yeah, there's always a chance for you to make money with the community. With technical arena, there's always a chance for you to make money. So yeah, guys, have a good weekend.